for today, we wanted to try food from Korea. Woo! Welcome back to our channel. We are Adventures of a Natural Family. We have another family member that wanted to join us for today's video.
See how long she stays.
Right. She's pretty camera shy usually, so we'll kind of see how she does. Our daughter has loved, so you can kind of tell, you love watching videos of people trying foods from other countries. Yes, we love traveling to other countries and trying the foods there, but obviously we've not been able to go everywhere, so we've not been to Korea. So we thought it would be fun to try. So we went this weekend. We actually just happened to swing by. We didn't even plan it. Went to a World Food Market because, of course, yeah, like I said, we love to try food and all the things from around the world. So we saw, and we've actually been watching Universal Yums for a while. We've been really intrigued about trying out their boxes. So when we saw them at World Food Market, then I snagged one because we looked at their ingredients and there is no artificial food coloring. So yes, artificial food coloring is like a big no-no in our household. So anyways, now we saw that they don't have any, which again is another big perk of eating food from other countries is they usually don't have food coloring.
Like Europe and I don't know where else.
Yeah. So we went to Europe this summer, right? We went to Germany. And why did you love it?
Because there's absolutely no food coloring because it got banned, I think.
I don't know, but they don't have it there. So we were able to like go grocery shopping, go get yummy snacks and treats that didn't have any food coloring. And she was super excited to eat everything there. So anyways, we got this box and we are going to try everything. And then we are all going to decide what is our favorite snacks from Korea. And I'm not gonna lie, we have toyed around with the idea of going to Korea. So because we actually, there is a military like resort kind of thing there that you can go to. So we kind of toyed around with the idea. So maybe that's in our future here. You wanna open it up?
Yes. Probably have like 15,000 things fall, but.
All right, so yeah, we're excited to try these and we're gonna pick our favorite. So we haven't even opened the box yet, so we don't even know what is in here. We have a scoreboard, we have a pen.
I think that's like the learn about.
You gotta try everything no matter what, right?
Oh my gosh,
yes.
Even spicy. Okay, so I don't like spicy things.
Then there's this, the one.
So they like spicy things. Well, he loves spicy things. She's like in the middle, and I'm like mild salsa girl here. So I'll let you pick the first snack to try, and then
just gotta pick something.
We'll kind of go around. No, we'll go around and we'll each pick a snack to try.
I'm gonna pick these peach gummies.
Oh, okay.
Filled gummy things.
Okay.
These things I can't read Korean, so
right. We'll have to add it to our Duolingo. All right, here we go.
That's a scoreboard.
Okay.
It smells like peaches. I mean, that's expected.
All right, here we go. Realized. Okay. Yep, here's what they look like. Okay, ready?
Kind of tastes like peach rings.
It does.
I've never had
without the
peach
sugar
rings.
on those.
She's never had them because we don't allow artificial food coloring. Oh, Ella, what would you give it on a score of 1 to 10?
I would say about like 8.5.
Okay. Ella says 8.5. Kyle?
7.
7. I will say an 8. I thought it was pretty good. All right.
From her.
All right. I'll pick next. All right. I'm gonna do the spicy
I
one.
was not expecting that. She's not gonna pick it.
Those are the hot and sweet wheat and rice snack.
Okay, because I want to get it over with.
Should I grab a water for you? I don't think you. I don't think you want to chug that because it's
the rice cakes soaked in chili sauce.
Oh, I had rice
with
cakes
red
today.
pepper flakes.
I know. I don't want it to be like the last thing that I eat though.
Yeah.
Because then it's gonna be stuck. Ooh. Okay,
Smell it.
sniff test. Smells okay. They
Smells
look
okay.
bright. Spicy bright.
It doesn't. It smells like a one of those like white cheddar Cheetos kind of.
Okay. All right, everyone has to grab one. Oh, let's show what they look like. Wait. Oh. Okay. Ready?
Cheers.
Oh.
He's excited.
Oh. Mmm.
No spice in the beginning. It tastes sweet.
It was just sweet in the beginning, and then you kind of feel it. It's not terrible though.
They definitely advertise it more scary.
Yeah, right.
Let me try that.
That's pretty good. I mean, a little spicy because I'm a wuss, but it's not terrible,
I feel like that's something I could eat on the plane ride home and not be like,
right? I'll eat another one,
I can't compare the flavor.
right?
it kind of tastes like those Cheetos, kind of.
It almost tastes like a stale Cheeto.
No, but it's like a pasta. It looks like a pasta. Because look, it's like a circle.
Yeah, the more you eat, the spicier they get.
It does. I feel it more the second time. Okay, so he did a ghost pepper chip challenge. I wonder if I could find that video and post it sometime.
Oh, yeah.
He and my brother did a ghost pepper chip challenge. It was hilarious. I thought that was the funniest thing ever. I would die. I would have to go to the hospital.
I didn't do the challenge, but someone brought ghost pepper chips to like a Thanksgiving thing a couple years back, and I really enjoyed those. So
Those have pretty good flavor though. Like it's kind of a good we have to score it first.
Oh yeah, that's right.
It's got a pretty good flavor where it's not so overpowering with heat that you can't enjoy anything else about it. It's kind of one of those things that's spicy but not too overpowering. Okay, Ella, score 1 to 10.
I was giving it a 5. I don't really like the
Okay.
flavor that much.
I'm gonna go 3. I don't like the sweetness.
Oh, he doesn't like the sweetness. I love sweet stuff. I will give it a 6 because
I think you're gonna have to eat them.
I
then.
didn't die.
Here you go. You're gonna snacks.
Right, not bad though, not bad. Okay, he's gonna
He's been
pick.
eyeballing those. I can
All right,
tell.
this one
Right.
is
Strawberry
strawberry
cream
cream sandwich cookie.
Okay.
Does this say salmon? I thought it said
She
salmon.
loves all things strawberry, so.
Oh,
Oh, it's a big one. I wonder if it's. We're prepared to cut things if we have to.
I like that.
There's 3 of them in here. Look at this.
Oh, perfect.
Oh, it's like they knew our little family of 3. Okay.
So,
It smells like strawberry.
Oh, it does.
smells like that strawberry
Ooh.
boba.
Oh.
My first time. He's ready. He's all in.
He does not wait. He's like, give me the food, shovel it in.
It's like shortbread on the outside. And
The crackers kind of overpower the frosting.
no, mine is
I think it kind of comes at the end, the
Yeah.
flavor of the strawberry. The cookies are really light. They're not heavy. Kind of tastes like a graham crackery sort of flavor.
Tastes like something I've had.
It's like shortbread, but not as sweet.
Shortbread's denser. And the strawberry's not overpowering. And you can tell that there's no food coloring because look, it's actually white. You can see maybe a little pink little stuff, but it's not like everything in America is colored.
Yeah, it's like
and
it's not
is
like
annoying.
a vibrant
Yeah.
red.
Very good, very good. I really liked that. Okay. Scores?
You go first.
Oh, I have to go first?
Yeah, you go first.
Okay.
This time.
I would totally eat more of those. I will call it, I'll call it an 8.5. I thought it was a little better than the peach ring.
I'm gonna go 9.
Oh, she's going 9.
I'm
Okay.
gonna go 8.
Oh, okay. So far, this was all of our favorite thing. All right, Ella, you get to choose your second thing now.
This might give us some energy. It's black tea.
I was gonna say, oh, is it really?
Oh wait,
Oh,
no.
what is this? I thought you
Oh, that's
had
a bubble gum.
Oh, bubble gum. Okay.
Do that one last.
I guess, yeah. That's funny. I'm not a gum person, so.
What is that one?
It's a Cocoa?
That is a cocoa-coated tea biscuit with marshmallow cream filling.
Ooh, I might like this.
Okay, so
Cocoa
I think
pie.
a tea biscuit is kind of like this, where it's like the really light, crispy thing.
Kind of sounds like a moon pie.
It does kind of sound like a moon pie a little bit.
Another thing
All right,
I've
are you
never
gonna open it and cut it?
I know, I'm trying to get
Oh,
There's like rust on here. I don't know, we won't die, I don't think. I don't hope. Oh, that's tiny. It's very soft. Oh, that's very
So we
soft.
also fell in love with trying foods from other countries. I have a friend, they moved to Japan. Her husband works at one of the military bases there.
Oh, that
He's
definitely
retired
sounds like
military too. And she sent us one year a whole box of Japanese, like really fun food to try from Japan. So we kind of fell in love with that too. So again, this is like right up our alley. All right, so we're gonna try this choco pie.
Don't eat it.
I know, it's like,
Okay, cheers. This time for the first time. It smells like milk
Cheers.
tea.
does kind of smell like tea. Oh, she liked it a lot. I thought the strawberry was way better.
Kind of tastes like
Tastes like
Hostess cake.
it tastes like black tea boba. That's what it tastes
but
like.
with
really?
marshmallow filling.
Okay. All right, Kyle, you go first on your score.
5.
Okay, Ella?
8.
Ooh, she liked this. Third best. I'm gonna go 4. Like, I would eat these strawberry things like the whole package. That I'd be fine without another bite. Okay. Wow. Honey butter pretzels.
It's those one things.
Yeah, honey butter flavored pretzels.
This is definitely gonna be a for Ollie. I don't really like sweet pretzels.
Alrighty.
They said full size, but they give us small size of the full size.
Yeah, it was not. Oh wait, do we have more? Okay, we have more strawberry cookies. I was like, that was not enough strawberry cookies. All right, here you go. Okay. Oh, she. It's her turn to shovel it in.
It has a weird flavor.
I like it.
It gets a weird flavor and like
It does have a little bit of a weird flavor. I see what you're saying.
Flavor? It's like not honey flavor, but it's
I
like
don't know. It must be the pretzel
kind
fry.
of tastes like cheese, like
Right?
a weird cheesy kind of.
It does have a weird cheesy flavor.
I like
Can
that
anyone try
one.
the other one? Want to try another one?
Sure.
Okay.
I usually like have like a second, like,
Right.
opinion.
Let the flavor settle.
It definitely smells better than it tastes.
The more I eat, the more I don't like it. But I do like it, but it's not like horrible, but it's not the strawberry cookie.
You really like that
I
strawberry.
really like the strawberry cookie. Okay. I'm gonna give it a 3.
Oh, that's lower than me.
It's fine. Do whatever you want.
I think I'd give it like a 6.
Okay. I'll consider it a
You're
6.
harsh like those judges. Vengeance.
0.1. 0.5 actually.
Okay, you have to give it at least a 1.
Okay, I'll give it a 1.
Good gravy.
That was not
It was like negative. Ugh, don't make me eat it
Negative
again.
one.
He's like, okay, 0.001.
Yeah.
Yeah, interesting.
The
I don't
last.
know about gum.
It's blueberry flavored.
Okay.
I think. I don't know.
I don't think it says.
It shows a blueberry.
Blueberry flavor, sweet and sour, chewy candy.
Oh, okay.
Why is it blue?
I was gonna get myself a napkin to spit it out in, but now I don't have to.
Kind of sounds like a high chew.
Wait, are you sure you can swallow it? It would be funny if we literally all just chew it and swallow it and it really was gum.
This is candy, but it's
The picture looks like gum. The picture is like this little thing blowing a bubble.
a blueberry blowing a bubble.
About ready to find out.
Well, candies kind of dissolves in your mouth.
Okay. Yeah, we'll see what happens.
Has the consistency of a high chew.
He loves high chews.
I'll do this again.
I like it more than I thought.
I'll give this one a 9. I'll go first. like this.
It's hard to talk.
Sweet and sour.
That's
Sour's
candy.
pretty good.
Okay, what'd you say? 10? Whoa! Perfect score. I would give it a 7.
I like those strawberry things better.
Of course.
I'll definitely do these what is it? Universal Yums box.
Oh yeah. I'm
It
totally doing
actually, they're called Universal Yums, and this book right here says everything about them, and it actually has the recipe of how to make those candies
Dalgona-
off Squid Games.
Dalgona cookies, I think it's.
Dalgona.
I don't know how to pronounce it. It's
Weird.
But
Okay,
it shows
so
how to make it.
everyone say what was your favorite? Okay, so they'll have to fight over then. So that'll be our next video. They'll fight to the death over the blueberry candies. I will be happily eating these by myself over here.
be on like the sideline just numbing, and we're just like.
All right, so we're definitely going to do this again because this was a lot of fun. But yeah, thanks for hanging out with us, trying food from around the world. Next video, we're gonna book a trip, and he's gonna be here to plan it with us. No, I'm just
We will
kidding.
Maybe in the future, hopefully.
All right. Make sure that you like and subscribe.
And stay tuned
And
for more.
stay tuned for more. Bye.